Oh my god, it's already June. Untuk business owners macam saya, dah Q3. Dah habis dah Q2, dah masuk Q3 dah. What have we achieved, people? Adakah bisnes kita makin mantap? Macam mana dengan collection kita? How about kita punya branding? How about our systems and SOPs? Adakah anda makin stress ataupun lebih tenang? Jika anda makin stress, you know what? Maybe we should have another get together sebab awal tahun hari tu I buat business brainstorming session. Boleh lah, sambutan agak best lah. And I felt that it was really fun. Bercerita dan berkongsi pengalaman dengan other business owners. And when I say business owners, it's a business yang ada overhead, ada staff. And I'm not just talking about recruiting downlines or recruiting people, because that's a different kind of business. So the business that I'm talking about is the one like mine, where you have to pay salary, rent, IPFW, ISOXO and everything that. So if you guys think that, you know, you want to exchange pandangan berbisnes dengan Puan Diana, someone who's already opened up her firm daripada scratch, daripada tak ada duit langsung kepada Alhamdulillah, then yeah, hit me up. So maybe we can have a coffee session at my office, and coffee's on me. Bye.